I'm so sick of working my ass off for the man with nothing to call my own. Especially when it's for an oil industry I don't even believe in. It just makes me so mad.
I'm so sick of being poor.
Yeah, I wish we could just be out on the water all day fishing.
It's funny you say that, because I have a plan.
Oh yeah? What's that? Buy a ticket for a charter boat?
No, we'll be fishing for a living and we'll be doing something good at the same time. We are gonna build a green electric boat and fish. Check out these boat plans that I bought.
Wow. Yeah, that would be my dream job. We could even film the whole thing and make a series of videos. Yeah.
And show people what real Hawaiian fishing and boat building looks like.
This is great and all, and I love the idea, but unfortunately electric propulsion systems are still pretty expensive. How are we going to afford all this?
Well, I got an idea for that too. There's this new and innovative way of raising capital. It's called crowdfunding. And the top website's called Kickstarter.com.
You know, this isn't going to be easy, but it might just work.